First, please scan the QR code on your entry passes. That's a request. You all are not entering the, you're not giving yourself a chance to win the pendant, basically. Okay, now we carry on. I have the pleasure now to invite the brand ambassador of Ionica Lab-Grown Diamonds, Samera Sandhu, up on stage. Please come on. Samera Sandhu is an accomplished author, actor, model, Miss Photogenic, and a beauty queen. She was recently awarded the iconic Glamorous Diva by Midday. Samera has starred in 3 films and continues to make waves in the entertainment industry. Known for her bold, stylish presence and her passion for fine jewelry, Samera is the perfect ambassador for Ionica's luxurious and unique collections. For the 3rd time in a row, Samera continues to be brand ambassador for the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, a role that has been acknowledged by Mr. Narendra Modi, our PM. I also call on stage Dr. Prasad Kapre, and Dr. Bipin Pandit and Dr. Suman Bijlani from Bollywood Beats. This is our first major show. Yes, Dr. Bipin Pandit and Suman Bijlani will felicitate Samera.
Good evening, everyone. I'm super excited to be here. I'm very happy, and more than that, I'm very emotional because musical night is just not entertainment night, it's an emotion. And when I talk about emotion, for me, emotion starts from love. And coincidentally, our today's theme, our pendant, everything relates to love. So first and foremost, I would like all of you to thank all of you for coming here. And I would welcome Dr. Prasad Kapre, who has brought up Ionica and declared me as a brand ambassador for the same. He is the former director of De Beers that brought up super famous brand Nakshatra, whom everyone knows about it. And with this note, today we are introducing our pendant, very unique concept of I Love You pendant. It has 3 diamonds. There is this emerald diamond for I, heart-shaped diamond for love, and then we have a square-shaped diamond which says you. So, and we have given you the scanner code already, and I'm waiting to meet the winner of the It's already done? Oh, it's yet to be. So I'm waiting to meet the lucky draw winner yet. And thank you. And I think there's no better way to say I love you. In such yeah. And for the ladies, especially when you have such a beautiful thing already presented to you, already it's there in the market. So of course there is no other option now, no flowers, no chocolates. We want this pendant from now onwards. Thank you for coming here.
I would just invite all my singer colleagues, they would like to have photograph with you.
Thank you. Thank you, Samera. All the singers, please come back on stage. For your surprise gift. Each of you is getting a voucher. All singers, please come back on stage.